Chemistry is that area of your JEE paper which will fetch you marks also, and it will give you right optimum amount of time also. If you're lucky, the paper, the set that you will be getting, it will be just containing a redox question which says identify the oxidizing and reducing agent. So if you just attempt all the physical chemistry questions of 2025, you will be getting all the optimum amount of confidence that will actually be helping you. JEE warriors, it's high and the right time for you to seize the chemistry crown by crushing those inorganic questions and organic giants and launch yourself to your dream IIT. Hello, my name is Gaurav Singh Arora. I am here to share a quick yet effective chemistry strategy with all you people right there. Because chemistry is that area of your JEE paper which will fetch you marks also, and it will give you right optimum amount of time also which you can rather invest in physics and mathematics to get a decent and an optimum percentile for you. Now for that, you first have to understand your necessity, because obviously necessity is the mother of invention. So whatever mocks or PYQs you must have given, if you are falling at a total marks of less than 100, then you are lying in the first category of students. So your necessity is you should invest time in revising and learning all the inorganic and organic basics given in NCERT for chemistry. Now I have segregated the high weighted chapters by observing the last 3 years pattern, and this you can take a screenshot also. These are the 10-11 chapters, because redox and electrochemistry I have combined, and practically speaking, if you're lucky, the paper, the set that you will be getting, it will be just containing a redox question which says identify the oxidizing and reducing agent. So my point is, you do not have to attempt. If you are falling at a category of marks less than 100, then you can actually double it by actually selecting only the most optimum and doable questions. Do not invest yourself in at this point of time to learn that topic which are having very less percentage of return of marks that you will be getting in your JEE examination. Rather, do these chapters because they are high weighted chapters. And even if you want to skip, you can take a screenshot of this also, that in those 11 chapters also you can skip these topics. Coming to those students who are lying, who are getting marks more than 160, then this is the right time for you to actually move one step ahead and now start practicing all the physical chemistry questions. Because last year 2025, the physical chemistry which was asked by JEE mains was actually a bouncer. So if you just attempt all the physical chemistry questions of 2025, you will be getting all the optimum amount of confidence that will actually be helping you to make your 160 170 marks above 200 or maybe 210. Now to the intermediate students, that is your numbers are between 150 160, then you are already above average, so you have to move yourself to a decent score of around 200. How to do that? Now you have to invest your time in organic mechanisms also, because the alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, those questions you can only make in JEE once you are familiar with the mechanism around it. Also, the most important point for you is stop making tukka. If you know the answer to 100% surety, then only mark it, or else you will be landing up with -5 marks in your overall score. And last, if you have still got time, then do salt analysis, practical organic chemistry, biomolecules, because they all will be landing up with one questions. Now this is me signing off with all the best wishes to you, and I know you will be doing great if you just trust yourself. So trust yourself and all the very best.